Good morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 9.2 algebraic expressions and identities. Before this, student, we have solved the questions from exercise 9.1, and in exercise 9.1 we learned about the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now, in exercise 9.2, we will learn about the multiplication of algebraic expression. So, this is the first question of exercise 9.2, and in this, find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Students, in this question, there are pairs of monomials are given. We have to find the product of these two pairs. So, first part, this one 4 and second monomial is 7p, first monomial is 4. So, we have to find the product of these two monomials. So, solution of the first part of this question, student, this one, first part, that is 4 into 7p. We have to find the product, students, so we have to put a sign of multiplication in between these two monomials. So, in the next step, students, we have to multiply numbers with numbers and variables with variables. So, in this there is 4 and in this number is 7. So, 4 into 7 and into p. Now, 4 7 ja 28 and this one p. So, product of these two monomials are 28p. This one is answer, student. Now, second part of the question, that is minus 4p into 7p, because first monomial is minus 4p and second is 7p, student. So, minus 4p into 7p. Again, follow the rules, student. First of all, we have to multiply numbers with numbers. So, minus 4 into 7 into p into p. We have to multiply numbers with numbers and variables with variables. So, this one is, student, 4 7 ja 28 and this one is negative. So, minus 4 into 7, this one will be minus 28 and p into p. So, this one is, student, to the power 1, again power 1. So, powers or exponents will be added, 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So, it will be p to the power 2 or p square. So, minus 28 p square is the answer of the second part of this question. Now, third part is, that is minus 4p into 7p cube, minus 4p into 7p cube. So, students, we have to multiply numbers with number. So, this one minus 4 into 7 into p monomials, this one, variables p into p, this one, and into q. Now, 7 4 ja 28 and this one is minus 28 p into p, p square, and this one q. So, minus 28 p square q is the answer of third part of this question, student. Now, we have to do the fourth part of this question, student, and that is 4p to the power 3 or p cube into minus 3p. We have to put it in bracket because this one is negative sign, student, and multiplied by minus 3p. Clear, students? Now, we have to multiply this number with this number, 4 into minus 3 and into p to the power 3 into p. Now we have to multiply this number minus 3 into 4, 3 4 ja or 4 3 ja 12, and this one is negative, so it will be negative, plus into minus it will be minus. So this one minus 12 p cube and p to the power 1 here student. So 3 plus 1 it will be 4. So p to the power 4. Answer will be minus 12 p to the power 4. This is answer of fourth part of this question student. And fifth part of this question is 4p multiplied by 0. We have to find out the product of these two monomials. So if we multiply any number with 0, then it will be 0. So it will be 0. 4p into 0, it will be 0. This one is answer student. Now we have to solve the question number 2nd of exercise 9.2. This is question number 2nd student, and in this question find the area of the rectangle with the following pairs of monomials as their length and width respectively. The pairs of monomials are given students, and first monomial is length and second monomial is width of the rectangle. Rectangle, you know student, rectangle, this one is a rectangle student, and in this length equal to length and this width. Clear student? This one is a four-sided figure that is called rectangle. This length, width, length and width. Now we have to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B, length into width. Clear student? So in this question, first part of this, the pairs of monomials as length and width, P and Q. This one is the first part student. P is length, L is equal to P, B is equal to Q. Length is P and width is Q. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B is equal to L is equal to P into Q. So it will be PQ. This one will be area of rectangle whose length is P and width is Q. Now second pair is, that is 10m and 5n. Second part, that is 10m and 5n. So student, L it means length is given, that is 10m, and width that is given 5n. So we have to find the area of rectangle is equal to L into B, length into width student. So in place of length we have to write this 10m, and in place of width we have to write 5n. Now we have to multiply the numbers with number and variables with variable student. This one 10 into 5 into m into n. 10 5 ja 50, m into n, that is mn. This one is answer student. And third part of this question student, that is 20x square and 5y square. Third part 20x square and this one 5y square. This one is third part of question number 2, student, and in this length, that is 20x square, and width, that is 5y square. Now we have to find the area of rectangle, that is L into B, length into width, and length is 20x square and width is 5y square. Now we have to multiply numbers with numbers and variables with variables. So this one 20 into 5 into x square into y square. Now 25 ja 100, and this one x square y square. This is the answer of third part of the question, student, and in this area will be 100 x square y square. Now fourth part and fifth part of this question you have to do yourself. Now we will solve the next question, student. This is question number 3, student, and in this question, student, complete the following table of products. We have to find out the product, and in this row, in first row, there is first monomials 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, and so on. And this column, student, second monomial, this one 2x. So in this first column, student, this first column, this one, we have to multiply first 2x into 2x, first monomial with the second monomial. We have to find the product, student. So student, this first monomial 2x and second, that is 2x. So in this, first of all, we have to multiply numbers with numbers and variables with variables. So this one 2 into 2 into x into x. So this one 2 2 ja 4, x into x, that is x square. So it will be, after multiplying first monomial with the second, it will be 4x square. Now if we multiply this 2x with this minus 5y, student, then 2 5 ja 10, and this one x and y. So minus 10 x y. Now we have to multiply this first monomial with this third. So this one 3x square and 2x. So student, 2 3 ja 6, and x square and x, it will be x cube. Clear, students? And if we multiply this 2x with this minus 9x square y square, it will be, student, 9 2 ja 18, so it will be minus 18, and this one will be x square and x, it will be x cube and y square. Clear, student? In this column, it will be 18x cube y square, because we have multiplied this 2x with this number, this monomial. Clear, student? So 9 2 ja 18, and this one is negative, so it will be minus 18, x into x square, it will be x cube, and here only x, and here y square, so it will be y square, student. Now we have to solve this second row, student. These two parts you have to do yourself, student. And in this second column, student, in second column, this minus 5y, you have to multiply this 2x, 5 2 ja 10, this one will be minus 10 because 5 is negative, so minus 10 xy. Clear, student? Because this one x and this one y, like this student. 2x into minus 5y. So 2 into minus 5 into x into y. So this one will be minus 10x y. In this will be minus 10xy student. And if we multiply this minus 5y with minus 5y, so minus 5 into minus 5 student. This one minus 5 into minus 5 . In this student, in this we have to multiply this minus 5 with minus 5y. So minus 5y into minus 5y, it will be minus 5 into minus 5 into y into y. Minus into minus, it will be plus student. So it will be 5 5 ja 25 plus 25. Y into y square. So in this it will be 25y square. And in this column student, if we multiply this minus 5y with 7x square y square, clear student? Minus 5y into 7x square y square, this one student. And we have to fill this column, this blank student. So 7x square y square. So first of all we have to multiply this 7 with minus 5. Minus 5 into 7 into x square into y square into y, because this one y student. So this one minus 7 into, sorry, minus 5 into 7, this one minus 35, 7 5 ja 35. This one x square and y square into y, it will be y to the power 3 or y cube. So in this student, here we have to write this minus 35 x square y cube, this one student. If we are going to find the numbers in this blank student, so we have to multiply this 7x square y with minus 4xy. Clear friend? This column is here and this row. So we have to multiply this column with this row. Clear friend? So this one 7x square y multiplied by minus 4xy, minus 4xy. Now we have to multiply the numbers with numbers. This one 7 into minus 4 into x square into y into y. Clear friend? This one y and this one y. This one x square. So 7 4 ja 28, this one minus 28 x square and y into y, it will be y square. So in this we have to write minus 28 x square y square. If we are going to find the product of this minus 9x square y square with minus 9x square y square, so student we have to multiply this minus 9x square y square into minus 9x square y square. This one last blank we have to fill. Clear student? We have to fill this last blank after multiplying this 9x square minus 9x square y square with this minus 9x square y square. So first of all multiply this minus 9 into minus 9 into x square into x square into y square into y square. So minus into minus, it will be plus. 9 9 ja 81. X to the power 2 into x to the power 2, it will be x to the power 4. Exponents will be added, student. And this one y to the power 2 into y to the power 2, it will be y to the power 4. So in this, we have to put here 81 x to the power 4, y to the power 4. So remaining parts of this question you have to do yourself, student. You have to fill the blanks very carefully after multiplying the first monomial with the second monomial. Clear, student? So remaining part of these questions you have to do yourself. Now we will solve question number 4th, student, and in this question number 4th, student, it is given that obtain the volume of a rectangular boxes with the following length, width and height respectively. Length, width and heights of the boxes are given, students. We have to find out the volume of the boxes. So we are not going to write the question here, student, and first of all we have to understand, student, the volume of a rectangular box is length into width into height, L into B into H. So let length, that is L, width, that is B, height, that is H, and volume of this one rectangular boxes, it means cuboid, student. So volume of cuboid, is equal to L into B into H. Cuboid, you know, student, cuboid, it means a solid figure like this, student. In this figure there is length, width and height. This is a cuboid. So rectangular boxes, it means cuboid, student. In this question we have to find out the volume of cuboid or volume of rectangular boxes, student. So in first part of the question, student, it is given that L is equal to 5a, B, width is equal to 3a square and H is equal to 7a to the power 4. Clear, student? Now length, width and height of rectangular box is given here, student. So volume is equal to L into B into H. This one is the first part. So in this it will be 5a into 3a square into 7a to the power 4. Now we have to multiply numbers with numbers and variables with variables, student. So 5 into 3 into 7 into a to the power 2 into a to the power 4. So in this, student, 5 3 ja 15 into 7 into a to the power 2 and a to the power 4. We have to add the exponents, student. A means it has exponent 1, a to the power 1, 2 and 4. So 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 4, 7. So we have to write it a to the power 7. Now here, student, 7 into 15 or 15 into 7, that is 105 a to the power 7. This will be the volume of first part of the question, student. Now this one, third part, we are going to solve the third part of this question, student, and in this third part L is equal to length, it is given, width and height, all are given, student. So length, that is xy, width, that is 2x square y, 2x square y, and height, that is 2xy square, 2xy square. Now we have to find out the volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H. So in place of L, that is xy, student, xy into, in place of width 2x square y, and in place of height, that is 2xy square. Now we have to multiply the numbers with number. Here, student, it is 1. So it is 1 into 2 into 2 into this one x, and here x square, and here x, and again y into y square. Clear, friends? Now this one, 2 2 ja 4, 1 into 2 into 2, it means this one 4. X square and x, it means x to the power 1, x to the power 1 here, student. So x to the power 4, and this one y into y to the power 2, this power 1, so 1 1 2 2 4, y to the power 4. This one will be x to the power 4, y to the power 4. Students, remember it, if there is x into x cube into x to the power 4, it means, student, here power 1. So x to the power 1 plus 3 plus 4. If we multiply this, the power will be added, or exponents will be added. If the base is same, then exponents will be added. So this one 3 1 4 and 4 8, it will be x to the power 8. Clear, friend? So we have to follow this rule. Now remaining part of this question, student, you have to do yourself. Now we will solve the question number 5. This is question number 5, student, and in this question, obtain the product of. So questions are, student, first part xy, yz and zdx. Xy, yz and zx. We have to find the product of these three monomials. So xy into yz into zdx, and in the next step, student, we have to separate the like terms one side. So x into x, y into y, and z into z. Now this one x into x, it will be x square, y into y, y square, and this z into z, it will be z square. So product of these three monomials are x square, y square, z square. Now second part of this question, student, and that is a minus a square and a cube. So a minus a square and a cube. Now we have to find the product of these three monomials. So first of all, a into minus a to the power 2 into a to the power 3. So this one will be, student, minus and plus, it will be a into a to the power 2. So a to the power 1 and a to the power 2. So it will be added, powers will be added student if the base is same. So it will be minus a, so minus into plus it will be minus a to the power 3 into a to the power 3. So a into minus a, it will be minus a, minus and plus it will be minus again student, and powers will be added because base is same student. So 3 plus 3 it will be 6. So it will be a to the power minus a to the power 6. Now third part of this question student, third part is 2 into 4y, 2 4y, this 8y square, 8y square and 16y cube. And in this student, all parts are positive. So first of all, we have to put sign of multiplication because we are going to find out the product student. So 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. Now first of all, we have to write the like terms one side, means we have to write the numbers one side and variables another side. So 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 and into this one y into y square into y to the power 3 or y cube. So 2 4 ja 8, 8 ja 64. This one 64 into 16 into y square, it will be y cube into y cube. Now multiply this, 16 4 ja 64, carry 6, 16 6 ja 96 and 6, that is 102. So 1024, this one will be 1024 y to the power 6 student. This one is answer, 1024 y to the power 6.